OpenAI here help us a lot to understand a deep dive from the models that they have, and also what can we leverage from them. And also all the agents that we have internally work better and automated to serve all the 5 million clients that we have.
The main goal this week was practical collaboration, was not only to show the place that we occupy on the market regarding technology, like we like to stay on the bleeding edge. We basically united with OpenAI, a company that have many values in common with us. They shared all the passion for technology, they share all the passion to be in the future. So they are basically people that live in the future just like us.
This week, a couple of us at OpenAI have been speaking to the CloudWalk team about their unique use cases, specifically with their agent orchestration and the multiple different agents that they've been building. We've reviewed some of the builds that they've had, their architecture, and we've offered recommendations and ideas around our technology and our recent launches to ensure that CloudWalk continues to build technology on the cutting edge of our platform.
So I think it's been quite interesting in the sense that we got exposed to some new ideas in the field and how we can actually see people that are actually working within like the core of AI are able to show new ideas that we can maybe leverage in our daily developments.
It was clear now that we cannot run from the human element of it. The human element is essential for us to build meaningful and reliable products and evaluations as well.
I think this collaboration will accelerate our development because we are getting a lot of knowledge that we can simply find. And this gives us shortcuts for already know what works and what do not work.
It's helping us to refine and optimize what we already have, to improve our prompts, better structures, better process.
Here at CloudWalk, we're at the cutting edge of new technologies, right? And so having LLM providers that are also driving forward this cutting edge is really nice to both understand the things that we're doing right, as well as know a little more about what we're doing wrong and the ways in which we can improve on those fronts.